How to add an Instagram feed to Wix. So in order to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website, what you can do is you can head right here to this website, which is actually a third-party provider that has a lot of widgets that we're looking for. So sign up for an account and then from in there, head over to the catalogs and then search in here for Instagram feed. So we already have it right here, so I will not search anymore, but click on it right there. From in here, you can head over and choose a template of how the Instagram feed will look like. We have a profile widget, we have a grid, and we also have in here a small widget, as well as hashtag showcase, dark profile, as well as a lot more. For this case, I'll choose in here the small widget and click onto this continue with this template. You can choose in here the actual account as well as the hashtag source type for that particular Instagram source. So let's head over and choose hashtag and let's choose in here the hashtag for flower. You can head over and search for that. And then you can see in here some posts for Instagram as well as in here this part. So on this part, you can actually connect your Instagram account to the website in order to actually add your own profile for this. I'll just choose in here the hashtag source and click on that. Now this is what it will look like right now. If you want to change the layout, you can go to the layout option. You can either choose grid or slider option. So for this case, I'll just choose the grid option. You can also change how many columns as well as rows will be added. So I'll just choose three options right here and it will actually look like this. You can also choose the column mode for this part as well. Let's go over right here and let me head over and then choose around 3. Now this is what it will look like. Once you're done actually editing it, click on this publish option. Choose in here the plan. And once you have chosen the plan, just head over and copy the code that they will provide you right here. Once it's been copied, head over right here to your Wix Studio. And then from in there, just head over to any blank part of the page or site that you have and click on this plus icon. Now from in there, head over to quick add. Scroll down from there and you can see this iframe. So just drag and drop it right around here. Now once it's been dragged, just head over and then click onto this enter code option. And then from in there, input right here the code and click on update. Now it should be able to show us a particular Instagram feed. So that's how you add an Instagram feed to Wix. Hope we helped.